How to upgrade to Spotify Premium. If you want to subscribe to Spotify Premium for additional offerings within the Spotify app, first open up Spotify.com in a web browser on your computer. It's important to note that you can only switch to Premium from a desktop. Once you're logged in, you may see a banner on the Spotify homepage where you can click the button to get Premium. If you don't see this on your page, you can select the Premium tab in the banner at the top of your page. From this page, you can select View Plans to view the different premium plans that are offered. There's Individual, which offers you 1 premium account. There's Duo for 2 premium accounts, Family for up to 6 accounts, and a Student account. Find the plan you'd like to subscribe to and click Get Started. You can then begin entering your payment details for your Spotify Premium account. Once your details are entered, select Start My Spotify Premium. We're now subscribed to Spotify Premium, and our Spotify desktop and mobile apps will all be updated with our premium features. We won't be charged for our account until after our free trial is completed and if we don't cancel our subscription prior to that date. And that's how to subscribe to Spotify Premium. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.